Good morning, boys and girls. For writing, we are starting our how-to writing, and you did your brainstorm yesterday. So this is my brainstorm page. I know how to make pancakes. I know how to ride a bike. I know how to walk Willow, and I know how to make candles. I trimmed around the outside of my page so that way I can glue it right in my writing notebook and I won't lose it. Okay, so this is my writing notebook where I have my sentence starters and I have my other writings. I'm gluing it right in there so that way I won't lose it. And then for today, we're starting our writing, so I'm going to start on a new page. And I'm going to title my page so that way I know what I'm doing. I'm titling it, maybe, How To. Okay? And then today you need to pick one of these things that you know how to do the best or that you want to write about the most. Okay? I really like pancakes, and I look forward to the weekend because on Sunday I always make pancakes. So I'm going to write how to make pancakes. So I wrote how to, and then I'm going to write make pancakes. Okay? And then I'm also going to date it so that way I remember when I wrote it. The date, 2020. Okay? You watched the video for how to write an introduction to the how-to. There were 3 parts. We're going to start our writing with a question. We're going to have I'm going to call it a topic sentence. And then you have to list your materials. So we're going to break our page into 3 parts. This top line up here, I'm going to write question. And if you need to pause the video so that way you can write the word question, absolutely go ahead and do that. The word question goes up here. And then I'm going to set my page up with my X's so it's easy to read. Okay. My question is only going to be 1 sentence, so I shouldn't need more than this much. But if you want to put your topic sentence down at this middle hole, that would be okay. I'm going to write mine just above it. I'm going to write topic sentence. Again, if you need to pause the video so that way you can write topic sentence, go ahead. And then I'm going to write my X's again to set up my writing. So that way I remember I only write on the lines without X's. And my topic sentence is also only 1 sentence. Then I'm going to need to list my materials. So I'm going to go about here. Materials is really probably going to be the thing that takes the most room. I'm going to set up my X's again. Okay. I'm going to scoot it down so you can see all 3 words. Question, topic sentence, materials. These are the 3 sections that you should have. And then it should say how to, and then whatever you're telling me how to do up here with the date. Okay. So for the question, if you're making something or if you're doing something, I'm trying to remember what the question was. Oh, the question was in the video, have you ever seen a pretty flower and thought, I want a flower just like that? Something along those lines. My question for making pancakes could be, do you love pancakes and want to know how to make your own? Do you want to know how to make pancakes? Do you want to learn how to ride a bike? Do you know how to ride a bike? Do you know how to play Fortnite? Do you, did you know, no, I don't know about a did. Usually we start, all the questions that I can think of start with do. But you could think of your own question. What if you were hungry? Would you like to make pancakes? Think of a question that's about whatever you're teaching me, okay? Then your topic sentence is going to be, keep reading and I will teach you how to blah, blah, blah. Read this paper and you will learn how to blah, blah, blah. You'll learn how to play Fortnite. You'll learn how to make pancakes. You'll learn how to plant a flower. You'll learn how to ride a bike. You'll learn how to read a book. You'll learn how to brush your teeth. Okay, so it doesn't have to be super hard, but something that you do know how to do. Okay, if you think that you know how to do something that maybe other people in our class don't know how to do, go ahead and be creative with it. Okay. And we will share our final projects at the very end, but this is going to take us a little bit to do. And then list your materials, okay? So to make my pancakes, I need flour, I need sugar, I need cinnamon, I need vanilla, I need a pan, I need a spatula, I need a stove. What else do I need to make pancakes? Salt. I need salt, flour, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, salt, eggs, milk. Okay, so I want you to think about what you're teaching us how to do. Think of a question. Think of a topic sentence. Keep reading, or where you're going to say, hey, keep reading this so you can learn how to do this. And then list out all of your materials, okay? When you're done with this, please have an adult take a picture of it and turn it into Google Classroom. I'm going to be looking at these and helping you with either your question or your topic sentence, or making sure that you have all of your materials. And then the following week, we will work more on pulling our writing together. But I want to make sure that we have a good start here first. So if you do have any questions, please let me know. And I'm really looking forward to seeing all of the cool things that you guys are going to be teaching me.